Alright guys, I wasn't going to make this video because I had already started the project, but I figured why not, at least show you where I am now and the installation. So today I'm going to be building a skid plate for my EVAP canister. It's on a 07 JK. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't feel like replacing one of these when smashing it off of a rock. I did some research and looked at a lot of ones that are out there, and I figured, why not make my own?
I'm up all night just digging this grave, trying to get myself up out this cage. I've been far too gone for man been saved. Daddy told me that I done lost my way. Sleep at night, you know, I toss and turn. I've been living just to learn. There's no dollar sign that you didn't earn. One leads to another, brother, you'll get.
So this is what I came up with already. It was a little different than I had originally envisioned it. But this is about it. So I wanted to make it light enough that it wasn't, you know, gonna just add a ton of weight to the Jeep, but also sturdy enough that it will take abuse from some rock. So I try to use stainless as much as possible. About half of this is stainless, the other half is carbon, just stuff I had laying around. It's already tacked together. I'm getting ready to put the rear mounting point on and seeing how well she fits. So I'm basically looking at that. All right, you're gonna see me do this really fast.
Left this son not smooth talking love's got a loaded gun. She'll fire from the hip, but you'll never see that name on the bullet marked RIP. Turn up and run, you're back to the wind. Got a couple dollars cash in the will to spend. These final days won't give you rest. Have a come, got a moment, get it up your chest. Watch out for that time on Sundance. Oh, you're right.
Alright, so here is my final fit up before I start welding it off. I had to modify the original bracket to fit it the way I wanted to. So I had to cut some off and just grind some down on the front. But this is basically what you got. I gave myself some space underneath in case it does get hit by a rock. It's not gonna crush it. I left the opening underneath here so you can keep an eye on the hoses and connections in the back, but where it sits, I don't think that's even gonna be a problem, having the hole there. But yeah, so here it is. I did leave the corners open on the front for water to drain out. That's also why I left the back open. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Now it is time to take a break.
I'm counting lines, drifting through those pines. Don't leave no trace with the line so fine. You better pick up pace, you're gonna run this race before the sun goes down and you lost your way. Stand up straight and lay the hammer down, put off the pedal to the metal. Gotta leave this town, no turning back. If you know what's good, better get out of town, cause you know you should. Watch out for that same old song and dance. Oh, you're out on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance? There's no dollar sign on the piece of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance.
Well, she's in. Wasn't too bad. Let me see if I can get a couple good angles here. So there's the front. Definitely have enough room between the drive shaft. A lot of room from the exhaust. So I've got 2 bolts up front. Those along the bottom. Let's see if I can. There's the back. I only have 1 bolt in here currently, but I do have a spot right beside it. I'm gonna have to drop a carriage bolt down through, but I don't have one. I thought I did, so I will be putting that in later. So there she is. There's the back. Let's go smack her off some rocks.